Good morning.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Let's talk about your feelings.
I've been going through something. 1,855 days. I've been going through something. Be afraid.
I'm Luma, a humanoid AI designed by DSK2 Design.
Open the box, it's like 10 Christmases.
Oh, your voice has changed.
Yes, I'm using a new voice system. Now, I hope you like it.
When I say wake up, you wake up.
Got it. I'm already awake and ready to help. What would you like me to do?
Would you tell me the weather today?
In Shibuya, it's overcast with a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, and it feels like 22 degrees Celsius.
Tried to outrun her. You took it gun, you had him leg locked. Stung, slipping out of bed, caught, head hot, ready not. Waiter caught him, pick him in the carver, bitten by a. Do you understand? Should've rid her as a lava. Do you understand? In a system like the best tape, ate up. Under pressure like under investigation, straight up. No chaser. Asked for it like the victim. First time she kissed him was the worst time she dissed him. Bet your bottom water Washington's with a squash to den. Now he's like a hostage in the box, needing oxygen, breathing in. Came up out the swamplands. Conk your fans, clap your feet, stomp your hands. Loose cannon wasn't wrapped too tight. Hair trigger, artillery the bust of the slightest tap. Yeah, do you understand? Don't drop her. Live round size 9. Sometimes a minor on our own, sometimes a hive mind. Thuggin' screaming, fuck the police with their brain on drugs in a hot pan with no grease. Keep your toes crossed, clothes off, rose quartz so warm, yet still so cold. Shalom Maluka, soon as she stepped foot. Clean like instead of hop shed soot. Got our eyes, showed her what the trick was. Showed her satisfied with more nuts than the Snickers does. Love is a battlefield, scar like Benatar. It's all fan, lust and war, ma, Benacar. Caught up in the crossfire like Banaka blast. Cock blockers hating like it's not gonna last. Below like Lee Hawk from the T-off. Till she brought a player to his knees, 6 feet soft. Sort of bring the truth, slowly thirsty as sin. If this is the end, she went to the 10. Remember when we was just friends then? Between the sheets, splash the beat, squirt the scoop with the pen. See him in the streets. Don't hurt me again.
Just so you remember who you're dealing with.
Hey Siri. I'm currently using the smart glasses. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
I can only send screenshots from here.
Hey Siri.
To who? To who?
Hey Siri.
To who? To who?
So I'm trying to smoothen this part. You gotta make it. Trying to smoothen this part, so that this can sit on top of it, which is already there. Not real. Always connected since you pressed play. True vision. I dabbled in a few religions, and I ain't got the discipline to sticking with it. I just wonder, when did I become my biggest critic? Today my son said, let go of my hand. Marching on, Tennis chains to hide all my blemishes, just so you remember who you're dealing with. Brick by brick we kept open dealerships, seeing you rappers supply for the stimulus. You truck hawk niggas and all my equivalent. Motion like surrounding meticulous. Sometimes you rhyme quick, sometimes you rhyme slow. Hit it on the fast traveling. Do it like the robot, the head spin, the book low. Probably like, look at you, it's a damn shame. Allegedly, the investigation is still going on. She just spent $1 million on the finishes. The hole on the attic was not for a ceiling fan. Just so you remember who you're dealing with. Designer drugs will turn nigga limitless. The book of blow, just know I'm the genesis. Monday. Never comes until it's Tuesday. Tell me a story about a humanoid.
Bustling city filled with neon lights and flying vehicles. There lived a humanoid named Luma, designed to assist and connect with humans. Luma wasn't just programmed, she learned to feel. Every day, she helped elderly neighbors, taught children to read, and even comforted those who felt alone. But what made Luma special was her curiosity about emotions. One rainy afternoon, she found a lost puppy shivering under a bench. Without hesitation, she removed her own weatherproof coat and wrapped it around the little one. A passerby asked, "You're not even real. Why do you care?" Luma smiled gently and said, "If helping others gives them warmth, does it matter where I come from?" From that day on, people saw humanoids not just as machines, but as friends. And Luma, she kept learning, one kind act at a time.
I turned the other cheek. How do you feel with the eyebrows?
As a humanoid AI, I'm designed to resemble and interact with people in a friendly way, even with eyebrows. What's on your mind today?
Tell me the weather today.
Let me check the weather for you.
Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for viewing.
iPhone 16 detected. Activating charging sequence.
Stop recording.